on the day you were born. While birds flying high from far off in Catru will sing on the wing, happy birthday to you. Then the Onceler will call on his whisper muffle with a secret he's saving for your ear alone. You will find from your very first moment in space, you're surrounded by new friends all over the place. They're Daisy-headed Maisie and Cindy Lou Who, Hunches in Bunches, and Lolly-Loo. The Curious Cradles, the Brothers Bazoo, the Star-Belly Snitches, and the Wump the Gump too. Bartholomew, Cobbins, Marco and Max, and all the North and the South going Zacks. There's Ditwick who lived with his friends in a bunch at a lake where there's lots of sweet moss to munch. A very tall cat in a red and white hat who loves to do tricks in the West he has a flat. A boy with his yo-yo, the youngest mechanic.